Today, the indices are renewing their all-time highs. Everyone is very happy, everyone is buzzing and making a lot of money, except for Tesla, of course. As usual, some targets have been hit and other targets are about to be hit. So let's update our projections and talk about the main key points from now on. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, professional trader. It is a pleasure to see you guys over here. I'm the founder of the 5% project, where you will receive advanced trading signals and strategies, and of course will outperform the market itself and a long-term investor by following our unique trading methodology. Just take a look at our website. The QR code's right here in the left corner of your screen and in the fixed comment below. Now, as we can see here, SPY is breaking the previous all-time high, $524. Now, only by losing this key point over here, SPY could possibly trigger a sharper correction, but as long as we stay above this key point over here, it is gonna remain extremely bullish. It is going to maintain the bullish bias, and so far we don't see any meaningful top signal. Now, we just hit one of our targets yesterday. Yesterday, I told you guys, if you use Fibonacci's projection over here, you will have a target around $527. Today, we broke this target. We are now at 529. So, okay, this target was hit. Potentially, we're gonna break this target. And in this scenario, we could seek even higher levels. So, what's the next technical target on SPY, assuming that it is going to maintain this bullish bias, assuming that we're not going to see any top signal in the future, and of course, no top signal is going to get triggered in the future. In this scenario, I have a very interesting target for you guys. Still using Fibonacci, let's now update our projection, and let's use the last one, the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement over here, around the previous top level on April 29 this year. By using this target, we see $537.38 over here. That's the last technical target on SPY using this Fibonacci's projection, all right? Now, when we analyze the weekly chart over here, and when we use this pivot point, because SPY did a gigantic bullish pivot point over here, okay? I do believe that everybody sees this pivot point. Now, this pivot point was quite clear. We did a top signal and then we dropped it. We retested the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement with an astonishing precision, and then we broke the previous top level, triggering a bullish pivot point. Now, still using Fibonacci, we can say that we already hit the first retracement, the 38.2. Now the second one is the 50%, which if we drag this retracement to the previous top level, we see that our next technical target on the weekly chart for this bullish pivot point is $538 again. So 538, that's the most important resistance level for SPY right now. I do believe, of course, in my humble opinion, just my humble opinion, I do believe that we're gonna get there. I don't know if we're gonna see pullback before or after that, or if we're gonna reverse this bullish bias right here, right now, but I do believe that we are gonna get there. 538, that's the next technical target on SPY. Similarly, we see QQQ also breaking its own all-time high. We are reaching higher levels, which is very interesting because tech stocks are exploding right now. We see Nvidia on the verge of reaching our target over here around $974. $974. That's our next technical target on Nvidia, and we are almost there. Now, Nathan, what if we break this technical target? What if Nvidia breaks 974? In this scenario, we could easily use Fibonacci over here as well. In this case, the first retracement, the first target of this bullish pivot point, pivot point over here is 974. So it is not only the previous all-time high, it is also the technical target of this bullish pivot point. Now, the second target is $1,019. All right, that's our next technical target on Nvidia, and of course the last technical target is around 100 $1100. That's the last technical target of this bullish pivot point. So yes, Nvidia still has a lot of more upside left. It could easily break this all-time high and seek higher levels as long as the indices continue their bullish momentum, as long as SPY seeks its own targets, its own Fibonacci's projections from here. Now, what's the problem today? The problem is that Tesla is clearly bearish. Tesla is trying to frustrate yesterday's bullish reaction, because yesterday it did trigger a bottom signal over here right above the 21 EMA, right above the 172, right after closing this gap over here. So we see this key point as a very important support level, and it was very nice to see Tesla reacting, making a bullish reaction right above this support level. It was a very good bullish signal, but today's reaction tries to frustrate this bullish signal over here. It is not completely denying any bullish thesis over here, but it is a quite problematic signal. If Tesla does this, right, again, a lower high, lower low, losing the previous support level again, then it is gonna be extremely problematic for Tesla, because Tesla is gonna reverse its bullish bias over here. It is gonna officially reverse its bullish bias. It is still bullish because we are still above the 21 EMA. We are still above very important support levels. We still have the possibility, we still see the possibility of higher highs, higher lows over here, all right? On the weekly chart, we are trying to make a bullish reaction this week, which is also very good, but we gotta see a very meaningful bullish reaction as soon as possible, rejecting any possibility of a top signal over here, because if it does, if we see Tesla making lower highs, lower lows again, it is gonna destroy the bullish bias over here. It is gonna reject completely any possible bullish thesis, and then our next target is gonna be $157. The second one, $147, closing this gap over here. So let's be extremely careful over here. Let's pay extra attention to these key points, to these support levels, because the situation is quite delicate over here on Tesla. And I will keep you guys updated every single day. So consider subscribing this channel if you're new around here. Click the like button to support me. Join the 5% project. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.